Okay, today we're going to take a look at a Zippo I just got in yesterday. It's a pretty nice one, just in time for the 4th of July. Now this one arrived with the sleeve and it's labeled Eagle. It's in the normal Zippo black box. And of course it's made in Bradford, PA. It's also labeled Eagle on that. So here's a first look at the Eagle. It's a really nice one. It's on a white matte background. And if you look real close, you can see the silhouette of soldiers in the Eagle's wing against the background of the flag of the United States. Now this is just a white matte finish all the way around. And this one was made in, it looks like, C of 17. This is my second 2017 Zippo. Good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on the Eagle. Okay, that Eagle Zippo passed the lit drop test quite nicely. And one of the things I've had to do with my white Zippos is start a new page or a new box. Here's a few. This is most of my white Zippos. Take a quick look at all of them. I think I might have 2 or 3 more somewhere. But those are the Zippos I have with a white background. And I'll have to fit this one in somewhere because it's a good one. And yes, it's made in the USA and definitely deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bump.